Welcome back to my channel. My name's Adriana, and this is a space where I share recipes with you that I love, especially plant-based Mexican food. Today, I'm sharing with you another traditional recipe from Mexico, that of elotes, or Mexican-style corn. The ingredients are Mexican-style vegan sour cream, white corn, lime juice, queso cotija, and your favorite powdered chili. You can find the recipe for the vegan style crema and the queso cotija in the description. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Corn is a staple ingredient of Mexican cuisine. We use it in so many different ways and in so many different recipes. But today I wanted to share with you one of the most enjoyable ways to have this as an appetizer or a delightful snack, that of elote. Remove any of the dried husks or silky fibers from the corn. In my experience, the natural husk of the corn will be the perfect insulator to make your corn moist and crisp. This recipe has often been translated to Mexican street corn. And to be honest with you, we don't call it that in Mexico, we just call it elotes. But it happens to be that this appetizer recipe is often found being sold out in the streets, so that's kind of how it got its name in English. The most important ingredient in this recipe is going to be the corn. In the majority of Mexico, you will find street vendors normally use white corn. And I'm not exactly sure why that is, but I do find that it makes a difference in the recipe. White corn tends to be slightly sweet, very crisp, very moist. It's going to balance really well with the rest of the added ingredients in the recipe. Often you will see that street vendors boil the corn rather than bake it like I'm doing today. But in my years of experience, I have found that baking it in its husk really provides a beautiful, tender, perfect flavor to the dish. And of course, this recipe will vary from state to state and family to family, even individual to individual. But I'm simply sharing with you the way that we often find it in my streets of my state of Guanajuato. So there you have it, elotes. Mexican-style corn, but completely plant-based. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite topping on this style of corn is. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you don't miss any future recipes or any of the live cooking streams we do on the channel. Buen provecho!